Hello learners, welcome to today's session on algebraic expressions. So before we begin, let's start with understanding what the algebraic expressions mean. So these are expressions that are made up of the constants, variables, along with the algebraic operations. The algebraic operations are like subtraction, addition, etc. So let's say we have 6x minus 4. 6 is our coefficient. X is the variable. Minus is the algebraic operation. And 4 is our constant. So let's go direct to the examples. The first example, we are supposed to simplify 3x squared minus 12 divided by 3 minus into 1 plus x. So this is our numerator. This is our denominator. So we begin with the numerator. 3x squared minus 12. Want to find what's common here. So 3 is common in this expression. So we have 3 into x squared minus 4. But then we know x squared minus 4 is equivalent to x plus 2 into x minus 2. So we have 3 into x plus 2 into x minus 2. So this is our numerator. So next we move to the denominator. So we have 3 minus into 1 plus x. Opening the brackets, we get 3 minus 1 minus x. 3 minus 1 we get is 2 minus x. This is equivalent to negative 1 into x minus 2. So trying to open the bracket, you find negative x times 1, this one. Negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. So therefore, our numerator divided by our denominator we find is 3 into x plus 2 x minus 2 divided by negative 1 into x minus 2. So x minus 2 simplifies with x minus 2. So we get 3 into x plus 2 divided by negative 1. This is equivalent to negative 3 into x plus 2. So example 2, simplify 4x squared minus y squared divided by 2x squared minus 7xy plus 6y squared. So this is our numerator and this is our denominator. So we begin with the numerator. 4x squared minus y squared. This is equivalent to 2x plus y times 2x minus y. So if you try to open these two brackets, you're supposed to arrive to 4x squared minus y squared. So let's see. Let's try to open the two brackets. 2x into 2x minus y plus y into 2x minus y. 4x squared minus 2xy plus 2xy minus y squared. Negative 2xy plus 2xy is equals to 0. So we remain with 4x squared minus y squared, which is the same as. So the next step is we find the denominator. We have 2x squared minus 7xy plus 6y squared. So here, first step is to find the factors, two factors that when you add the two numbers, they give you a negative 7. So we have negative 2 and negative 5. We have negative 4 and negative 3. So we can pick either negative 2 or negative 5. But in our case, because we have the even numbers, we shall pick negative 4 and negative 3 so that our simplification becomes easier. So we have 2x squared minus 4xy minus 3xy plus 6y squared. So we want to simplify these two brackets. So what's common here is 2x. So we have 2x into x minus 2y minus the other bracket. What's common is we have 3y. So we remain with x minus 2y. So in this case, further, we get 2x minus 3y into brackets x minus 2y. So this is our denominator. Combining the two, we get now the numerator divided by the denominator. We get 2x plus y into 2x minus y divided by 2x minus 3y into x minus 2y. This can't be simplified further, so this is our answer. So example number 3, we have this question. Given that x plus y is equals to 8, x squared plus y squared is equals to 34. Find the values of x and y. So let x plus y is equals to 8 be our first equation, and x squared plus y squared is equals to 34 be our second equation. So solving equation 1, x is equals to 8 minus y. Let's This will be our third equation. So substituting equation 3 into equation 2, we get where this x, you replace it with 8 minus y. So we have 8 minus y squared plus y squared is equals to 34. So opening the brackets, we get 8 minus y squared plus y squared is equals to 34. So opening the brackets, we get 8 minus y into 8 minus y plus y squared is equals to 34. Opening the two brackets, so opening the two brackets, we get 8 into 8 minus y into 8 minus y plus y squared is equals to 34. So it's 64 minus 8y plus y squared plus y squared is equals to 34. So here we get 64 minus 16y plus 2y squared is equals to 34. This is equivalent to 64 minus 16y plus 2y squared minus 34 is equals to 0. We get 64 minus 34 minus 16y plus 2y squared is equals to 0. So here we get 2y squared minus 16y plus 30 is equals to 0. This is the same as 2y squared is equals to 16y minus 30. We're doing this because we want to divide by 2 on both sides. So divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So our y squared minus 8y plus 15 is equals to 0. So from here, we want to find the two numbers or the two factors that when you add up, they give you -8. So we have -4 and -4. We have -3 and -5. We also have -2 and -6. So, but since we have 15 around here, I will pick the -3 and -5 factors. So it's y squared minus 3y minus 5y plus 15 is equals to 0. So we want to simplify. these two brackets. So here we get what's common in this first bracket is y. So it's y into y minus 3 minus 5 is common. So it's 5 into y minus 3 is equals to 0. So let's rub this side so that we continue. So we have y minus 5, y minus 3 is equals to 0. So this means that y minus 5 is equals to 0. So our first y is equals to 5, and y minus 3 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 3. So this is our second y. So the values of y are 5 and 3. But then we remember that x plus y is equals to 8. And so where there is y, let's pick one of the values of y. So in my case, I'll pick 3. So x plus 3 is equals to 8. So our first x is equals to 8 minus 3, which is 5. So the values of x is 5 and the value of y is 3. Example number 4, we have the sum of two numbers is 15. The difference between 5 times the first number and 3 times the second number is 19. Find the two numbers. So the sum of the two numbers is 15. Let x be the first number and y be the second number. So the sum of the two numbers will give us 15. So it's x plus y to give us 15. And the difference between 5 times the first number, 5 times the first number, so the difference between 5 times the first number and 3 times the second number is 19. So find the two numbers, x and y. So let this be our first equation and this be our second equation. So this gives us simultaneous equations, and to solve these simultaneous equations we can use either the substitution method or by elimination method. So in our case, I'm going to use the elimination method. So we have x plus y is equals to 15. 5x minus 3y is equals to 19. We want to eliminate one column, so that we remain with one unknown. So in our case, we're going to multiply by 3. So this side and this side by 1. We have 3x plus 3y is equals to 45. 5x minus 3y is equals to 19. If we add the two equations, 3x plus 3y is equals to 45. 5x minus 3y is equals to 19. So if we add the two, we get 8x, this one is 0, is equals to 19 plus 45 is 64. So divide by 8, divide by 8. So our x is equals to 8. But x plus y is equals to 15. We already have the value of x. Now we want to find the value of y. So where there is x, we replace it with 8. So it's 8 plus y is equals to 15. Y is equals to 15 minus 8. So our y is equals to 7. So our two numbers are 8 and 7.